What's up, everyone? It's Gio, and
Juan Carlos.
it is. And we are coming to you from our home here in South Florida. And we're doing something a little different we've never done before. Today we're going to do an unboxing video, and probably you've already read the description, and that's why you're here, and maybe you're excited to see it. But before we give you that, we'll give you a little history. We have a couple videos. I'm going to put a link pretty much right up here for you. Last year, Juan Carlos and I attended Gay Days in Orlando, and we have two videos covering our time up there. And we had a great time going to that event. And also one of my videos that I did, I just happened to be at the Magic Kingdom the day that they released the Mickey rainbow ears. And that was just a lucky coincidence that I got a chance to pick up a pair and show you guys a video, and that particular video went a little viral for me at least. So anyway, that was kind of cool. But this weekend, tomorrow specifically, is June 1st, and it's Saturday, June 1st. So that makes it
Pride Month?
It does. Pride Month, everyone. And in honor of Pride Month, the Disney company this year, for the second year in a row, has come out with an entire line of merchandise geared towards the gay and lesbian, transgender, queer community. And I think that's pretty queer. Or cool. Not queer. But anyway, so we decided to go online. We were toying with the idea about going back up to Orlando for Gay Days. This year is the first time they've made some changes. It's One Mighty Weekend going on this weekend in Orlando, and then the Gay Days is now moved to August of 2019. And I know a lot of people are confused by that, but tomorrow is still the official Red Shirt Day, Saturday, first Saturday in June, at Disney. We unfortunately will not be attending, so we're here. Wah, wah. Maybe if I feel a little better tomorrow, we'll get a crazy hair and go. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. If we do, we'll let you know. But I've been a little under the weather, so we're not going to do that. But we're not going to keep you in suspension much longer. Juan Carlos has the scissors. We're going to do a little unboxing. This arrived on our doorstep today. Show you the bag. I kind of like it. This is the first time I ordered from them, and it says Magic in the Mail. And it comes from Disney. So let's open it up and show you what we've got, everyone. Drum roll. The suspension is killing me. And while Juan Carlos is opening that, I will say the one thing that I do like now is that Disney has this wonderful thing called shopdisney.com, and you can link it to your My Disney account, which is really cool. And on the Shop Disney, you can find everything that you can pretty much get in the theme parks. Not everything, but a lot of the merchandise.
Ready?
So what do we have first? Let's pull out the first thing. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Ooh, he's peeking out. Oh boy! Check it out, everyone. This is the Rainbow Mickey. Hey, everybody! I like him. You know, I wasn't sure. I mean, it's definitely bold, especially for Mickey Mouse. And I was surprised to see that Disney actually created a Mickey that looked like this. And I know there was a lot of people talking about it online, whether or not they liked it or they didn't like it or not. I'm not 100% sure if I love it or I don't. I don't know. I think he's kind of cool. I definitely wanted to have him.
Better now that I see it.
Excuse
like,
me.
In front of me.
Yeah, now that I see it in person.
Then the image was, to be honest, a little scary.
Yeah,
it's cute.
the online image didn't do justice. So when you see it in person, or you see it if you go to the parks and you see it, look at his little tail. It's got a little rainbow tail. It's kind of cool. So there we go. That's the first thing. Mickey. What else we got?
Stays here.
In honor of Pride Month, everyone. There we go. It's the Rainbow Walt Disney World Mickey t-shirt. Oh boy. And we each got one of these, so I'm a little bigger than Juan Carlos, so I got the extra large, and he got the pequeño. Small. So yeah, I like these. I do like these. I think they're cute. There's two options of this shirt online. There's one where Mickey is just regular Mickey and Walt Disney World is in rainbow lettering, or you can get the rainbow Mickey with Walt Disney World in the black lettering, which is what we got. And the reason I got it was because it would match our plush. Cool. All right. And last but not least, we got one more item in our package.
Dun, dun, dun.
Dun, 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 dun. I'm kind of excited about this last item, actually. There we go. We got magic bands, and you can see it's just got the silhouette of Mickey. But the nice thing about the magic band is it, in of itself, is rainbow. And that's pretty darn cool. From what I understand, I think these are not going to be limited. In other words, I think you're going to be able to get these for throughout the year. Whether or not that's true or not, I don't know. But I did hear somebody had mentioned that they will probably have this for sale throughout the year. But the other merchandise is only during Pride Month, during the month of June. But we'll see. I'm not sure. So we got our magic bands, our t-shirts, and our cool little rainbow Mickey. We are ready for our next visit to the Magic Kingdom, Walt Disney World, which I wish was going to be tomorrow. Don't you? Maybe.
Yes.
Juan Carlos loves to go to Disney. What's your favorite thing about going to Disney?
Just be there. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful place.
Right.
I enjoy just walking around, see people. Yeah.
I agree. Just getting to the parks and just seeing the happiness on everybody, moms and dads and kids and every type of person from every walk of life. That's one of the things that I appreciate most about Disney is the diversity that you see when you go to the parks.
Yeah, I mean, I've taken many members of my family,
Right.
from my sister, my mom, my dad, and everybody have a really good time, a magical time.
But yeah, it
Every
doesn't
time.
matter how old you are, where you're from in the world. Like we showed you in recent videos, and if you haven't seen those, check them out. We brought Juan Carlos's mother for the first time ever to the United States. She's in her 70s. She had never, and really, to be honest, she really didn't know that much about Disney because really it wasn't part of her childhood growing up in Costa Rica as it was, to a lot of children here. But she equally adored it and loved it. Of course, she knew who Mickey Mouse and everything was, but anyway, so there you go. We hope you liked our first unboxing video. We've never done this before. And we appreciate you tuning in as always. What's our mantra?
Happiness
Is a lifestyle. And it is. And how can you not be happy when you're holding a rainbow Mickey in your hand? So until next time, everyone, peace out. And as Mickey always says, oh boy. And ciao, everyone. Oh, wait. One last thing. Subscribe. Subscribe. Mickey says, please subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe.